I don't worry. I'll tell you, I'm a man who believed that I died 20 years ago.
Yes, my viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Stola. We say 6 days and the 6 is ready and Squash run out with funeral program and dog we are wait for hear the research and the flame where Squash are come with, but right now we drop and we are going to hit meds.
Thing.
Hot man hot them mad. What is a idiot? Hot man hot them mad. None of them boy that can't page me. Mad.
My viewer, subscriber, Squash make you know say Shabdan the pan the forefront. But viewer, subscriber, me I tell you, the entry don't really grab me yet, but we have a long way to go. Walk with me.
Blood clot so much gun boy. Beer killers on my foot. Yeah, mad one. Murder. Pussy wall, me not afraid of screw face. Chop up your body fine, put her in a suitcase. Send her back a fine right when you locate. You me know a murderer, you me know a beat. Bullet a brush a yellow tail like a cool gate. Seen this enough?
A subscriber, hear me now. Big old man thing. You see, if Squash run out, we are going to say him run out. You see, if Alkaline run out, we are going to say him run out. And dog, hear me now. You see that tune, yeah? You see if it is just a bad man tune, more that give props. But you see, since that tune represent a clash, and you're going to say, yo, so much gun there, yeah? And we are going to chop up your body and send it back a foreign in a suitcase, and thing a brush girl teeth like Colgate. Fam, that not ready. Meds.
Seen this enough? If you kill a man, me know you want a criminal, but intellectual. You a bisexual, can't style a general. Today are your funeral. Addicted to me strap like a nicotine. Anyway, I had pussy me fine, yeah. Kill me, kill people 6 bars. Not true one. The M1 mama, I long.
Viewer, subscriber. The bomb buckler this year. Yo, dog. The bomb buckler. It come like me and listen to a daddy one tune. Squash. No, dog. I can't this you come back with. Because right now, me can't even go down in the words where the man say, can you hear me? I be a fuckery. Yo, viewer, subscriber. Yo, meds.
I just spread on with the double D. Optimus clap up in your face and show the trouble. Suck your mother bomb blood clot push. Be a fireball but the calico a push. Calico gun back them fligging at the bush. Murder on my party volley not on. Never put the clip in at the Glock a go bust the bed. 7.6 total like KFC chicken leg. Me dopey up the clown.
Viewer, subscriber. 7.6 total like a KFC chicken leg. Spray them down with the double D. That are the most intelligent thing out of that the line there me can't take. Alkaline say only don't have the headspace, dog. Only don't have the knowledge. Squash, you realize, dog, you're there war. And I come tell me about KFC and chicken leg after a man I tell you say yo dog, you're big like a hamper. Family. Dog. Kind of idiotness that dog. Me a better things than daddy from daddy one than this dog. Madness this. Viewer, subscriber. We are look for things that Squash come back with some wicked research. A blaze fire. And right now, this a madness. Meds.
See chicken leg. Me dopey up the clownaments and shell out like a scrambled egg. Me caught to buy a surprise, a friend them never expect you for dead. Can't violate, so go and go easy, look a funky dread. Bust your windpipe, your pussy tongue along out of your neck. You get the air just wrong pussy, me there you for deal. Send one of your friend them me ready, prepare for jail.
A subscriber. First of all, we have to say X amount of shout out to Even Deal. I feel we place that. But hear me now. It coming like say Squash dep on a food advert, dog. A man a talk about chicken leg. A man a talk about scrambled egg. A man a talk about address. Yo, with the halfway in the song and I know family. Me no hear Squash say nothing what me can talk to the people them about. Me no hear Squash say nothing, dog, where me can say, yo, him lick Alkaline ya so. Nothing family. Viewer, subscriber. Idiotness this. Right now, me could all stop a review. For real. Meds.
Late night and day. Now go sleep and now. Pussy get it. 3-6 them out the road. We never left it. Pipe and pain them one. They just see the same at bird. That better than your song.
Viewer, subscriber. Squash say, yo, nah go sleep ya now. Night and day. The crutches get it. Yo, viewer, subscriber. Remember, you know, Alkaline tell you say, yo, in with dirty up a car seat and go back home and go have a shower and go to bed and get up like I know nothing happen. When a man drop a bar like a that and you go say, yo, crutches get it. And dog, you not say nothing. Right now, viewer, subscriber, if me put 2 local school youth in a clash, then come up with better material than this. For real, dog. Meds.
Where you were run, where you know nothing so fucking see you. Me I go bust out flee, go ahead and make you get a preview. You are no killer, just a pull off a stunt. Gun clown, can't give murder, no come. Must see bush weed and the rum, them you must see junk. Love views up your mouth, wag one Clarendon. I saw the liquor ring, more nasty boy that.
Viewer, subscriber. Squash you must say bush weed or the weed alkaline and smoke, dog. Make it, I must say junkie man junk, but Squash, hear me now, dog. Still them they are no bars, dog. If you say, yo, we in at the clash. Right now with them on the last at the ending of the tune and we still not hear nothing. Well, we can say, yo, something solid. Viewer, subscriber, Meds.
Never fuck and breed a girl pussy, you is a girl then. Mad 90 sparks fire like semi do welding. And I'm box tongue again at the shotgun a swell skin. Can't find a hit and if I know me you not trending. Man I watch me girl much for watch mother Shelly. Talk about what this mama ass thing pussy carry.
Viewer, subscriber, we are gonna break down couple things in a this way. Squash say, and hear how we started. A man say, yo, hear me now. Him now watch no girl. You don't have no youth, so you can't say nothing, dog. A man say, yo, suck your mother, dog, and sting pussy carry. Viewer, subscriber. Squash go back and say, yo, if I know him, Alkaline the trend. Alright, make we break it down, yes, sir. First of all, make we go in at the trend. The biggest trend Squash get, a Cincy clash, yeah. And right and now, Squash, pan the last of the tune you tell me about suck mother and this dog weak Meds.
Boy could I never sign a helmet. You a get a boat casket suit of velvet. Anyway me go me carry the Glock 18 chip. And the Eckle and catch with favor spaceship. Simple me bust the wall, me not afraid of screw face. Chop up by the fire, put her in a suitcase. Send her back a fine right when you locate.
Viewer, subscriber. First of all, we have to say, you say this review, yeah, it's mine and mine alone. And how me see this tune where Squash drop, it don't carry no weight. That a for real, dog. If you know say we there in the heart of the clash, and if you know say this Squash come with weak, for real. And that way I say. And right now, viewer, subscriber, if I saw you go, me declare Squash done. But as me said, that a mine opinion alone. You make your own opinion in the review section. But mine opinion, pan this a tune where Squash drop, me say him done, dog. But viewer, subscriber, hear me now. It's your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more. And your boy Stola 1.